So our starter for our Puglian menu is a twist on a quite trad Puglian dish, which is broad beans and braised chicory, which is absolutely delicious. And then you'd have this incredible braised octopus, which we've kind of combined with that one. So it's a real showstopper to start.
For main course, we've got orecchiette. I can never say that right.
I think that was a good attempt.
Thank you very much. With peas and garlic and parmesan. It's very, very simple, but everywhere that we've ever gone in Italy, we always see the mamas on the street just making those little ears. We are terrible at making them ourselves, so
4 each, that's the limit.
In an hour, but it's an absolutely gorgeous but very simple main course.
Dessert is celebrating figs, which are on a lot of Puglian menus. And at the start of the fig season, they have these really juicy, fresh figs. So we thought we'd do something with that. So a tart, which is perfect for sharing. We went to an espresso bar when we were visiting the factories in Grottoli, and we had these addictive pastries that were filled with pistachio cream. So we've kind of stolen that idea for the accompaniment.
For our cocktail, we have chosen a Cina Spritz, which is absolutely huge in Italy, but not so well known here, so we've decided to bring it home. But it's an artichoke liqueur. It's quite bitter. It's a little bit like a Negroni, but we think better.
To learn more about the collection and to see some amazing Puglian-inspired recipes from us, just visit the website.
habitat.co.uk/Jackson and Levine.